Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Crypto Ninja coming to you live from a tropical paradise. Now, guys, if you're new to my channel, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe because on this channel, I am going over how to win in this cryptocurrency market, okay? Now, currently, with my new and improved trading system that's evolved as me as a trader, trading cryptocurrency and meme coins over 7 years, I have cracked the code on how to get 100x plus per day. Now, I'm not saying 100x per coin. I'm just saying, cumulative over the trading session per day. Okay. And in my trading system, we caught this one. Okay. The biggest outlier recently. Okay. We also caught Franklin. All right. Now, Calvin is going way up. Okay. It's going way up. And in my system, I teach you guys how to accumulate millions of coins. Okay. Now these are the outlier coins, guys. So with the outlier coins, you only need to hit one for life-changing results. Okay. Now we're not hitting these all day. We hit a lot of coins and they're either just like a moon bag or a small loss. Because I teach all my students, how to use proper risk money management, of 1%. And you can see right here, look at this. If you're holding 5 million coins, you're sitting on almost 11K right now. Okay. If you look at the holders, in my system, I teach you guys how to accumulate millions of coins. Okay. Once you level up, you get a certain level, you can start doubling and tripling your account very fast without risking hardly anything. I know it sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. It's not because we accumulate these coins so early that we're able to accumulate millions while other people are up on crypto Twitter, and all this static and noise is, and they're buying way up here and they're just getting a couple thousand coins. We have millions of coins, guys. If you want to be a crypto millionaire, you need to accumulate millions of coins. Okay. Now on my site, Katana Strike, I just updated this and I haven't had a chance to update it every day because I've been too busy. I'm working with the client. This is more of a one-on-one thing. And I've been busy trading and making money, because these are popping off every day, guys. If you look at these are all the outlier plays that my system caught. And this is all within December 2025. Okay. X200 on DOYR and BNB. We've got an X177 on Miner. Okay. And then we have over 1,000X on Franklin. And then now Calvin's approaching like a 71X. Okay. Now, back in the day, I was catching 100Xs all the time. But with this new system that I've created, this is all up on school. Okay. So anyone that comes into the system, I've got one more spot. Once I fill one more spot, the price is doubling. Okay. It's going to go to 2,500. Okay. Right now it's on a discount for 1,250 for one other lucky person. Okay. And you can see right here, I got the main system here, the golden hour, okay, the Katana Strike practice dojo, and the Katana Strike preparation chamber. Okay. This is all going to help you level up massively. Okay. If you go through this entire modules, you're going to change your life forever. Okay. Because you can catch one of these in a single day. Okay. I know how to spot these. These are coming through the pipe. These coins are spawning every single hour, 24/7. Okay. I give you guys, the foundation and the framework to do this. Okay. So go ahead and check this out. Okay. But this, like I said, this is 7 years of all my work. Okay. And you can see right now, you can get it for 1250 limited time. One more person and that's it. So signing off from a tropical bliss, catching all these runners. And I'm telling you guys, once you master this, you're not going to have to worry about paying your bills or like when you go to the store, like, oh, how much does this cost? You're not going to have to worry about that, guys. Like the system, you don't come over here and use filters and, try to be cool and listen to people on crypto Twitter. It's not like that. I'm teaching you guys how to fish. This isn't a group thing. Okay. Obviously I have the Katana Strike trading system where you guys can ask questions and whatnot inside of the community. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm not telling you guys what to buy, what to sell, how to do it. I give you guys all of that, step by step inside of the system to where you can do this all on your own. And over time, you're going to get really, really good at it if you follow my lead, and you're going to change your life forever and change your destiny and your financial trajectory forever. So signing off, I will talk to you guys soon, but I put a ton of work into this. And for one lucky person that gets in, like I said, I'm going to double the price because you can make this back. Not financial advice, but in time, when you know what you're doing, you can make back the enrollment fee in one trade. So that's it. I will talk to you guys soon. See you at the top.